Hello my people, I welcome now for this program once again where you name na Learn with Dash Nigeria. Program where they teach people about Dash cryptocurrency, how you fit put Dash for your day-to-day activities and everything where you need to know about Dash cryptocurrency. My name na Idwanome. Today's episode will be about how you fit buy and spend Dash in Nigeria. But before then, we will go backwards more, talk about trade and the things where people they buy and what they collect if they buy something na money. Trade na transfer of goods and services from one person to another person and any network or system will allow trade na they call market. One of the easiest way for you to take buy Dash now from exchanges. And I will give different exchanges where you fit take buy Dash for Nigeria. The first one I go talk about na Kurepe. Kurepe na exchange place where we say you fit exchange any cryptocurrency. The koko why Kurepe did now to reduce risks of people wey wan buy Dash or other cryptocurrency from exposing their public address, and then from there people will come steal their money now. The following ways now if you take buy Dash from Kurepe. The first one, if you use your card payments. Second one, if you use your bank payment. And the third one, if you use your crypto wallet payment. The first one I talk about will be card payments. Kurepe, they allow card payments, whether on a debit card or credit card from any country where you dey. So you don't need worry, say whether you be Nigerian or you be outside Nigeria. Now any country where you dey, now you fit take buy with your debit card or your credit card for Kurepe. Kurepe, they collect direct payments for Nigeria from any bank where you dey use. So you don't need worry about bank payment. Kurepe, they also receive payments from customers from their cryptocurrency wallet. Kurepe, they collect payments from any cryptocurrency wallet where you dey use. Another exchange I go talk about na Yellow Card. Yellow Card na exchange place where we say you fit buy Dash or any other cryptocurrency without your bank account. You fit buy Yellow Card from stores where they around you. And then you go ask the person where you want buy from, say make him give you your card or PIN. If he can give you your card or PIN where you don't buy this Yellow Card finish, you fit take and buy Dash or if you take and spend your cryptocurrency. I go talk about some of the features where Yellow Card get. Yellow Card get instant transaction. You don't need to wait for your money. In as much as say they do transaction now fast and it is very secure. Another feature of Yellow Card now multi-sig wallet. Unlike other cryptocurrencies where we say that they owe your crypto for you, Yellow Card they don't need owe your crypto for you because not be their money, now your own money and you fit control your money. Another feature now the two cryptocurrencies where they accept for now. The two cryptocurrencies now Dash and Bitcoin. You fit buy Dash from Yellow Card because now low fee they involved and it is very secure. Another exchange where you fit take buy Dash now BitFSD and the rest there because they're boku well. Now to answer the question of how you fit take spend your Dash, if you use your Dash buy airtime from your phone, you fit recharge your phone with your Dash cryptocurrency. You fit use Dash pay for things where you buy from different stores. If you look Venezuela, now different stores, different outlets, now they accept Dash. If you buy clothes, if you buy fruits, if you buy anything and now your Dash cryptocurrency, now you go take pay. The same way now Dash they do for Nigeria today. So no waste your time. Begin use your Dash too. Till I go meet you for my next video. My name now is Idwanome.